everybody, it's Gigi and
Rico.
we're back with another video.
So, today we're going to be doing a little tutorial showing y'all how to make coasters. Custom coasters like these two here. Wait, that was the back. Sorry. Here. So this was one of our Happy Valentine's Day coasters. And this was like a Valentine's themed coaster, but it's just pink and some purple and a little white in it. So we'll do some of these again next year. So if y'all want some, hit us up. Birthday presents, whatever, just hit us up and we got y'all. What we got up here, babe?
So up here we have the paints we're gonna use.
This is a blue. This is a yellow. And then my last color that I have to add is the pink. And babe has white, two different types of purples, and then the last color she has to add is gold.
We have the cups that we put the paints in. We have the bare towels. And we have cups to prop them up on. We also have these sticks to stir the paint because we'll be adding some to make it flow. And I have a canvas to catch all the excess paint.
Alright, so we're going to add our Floetrol and stir them up.
I was making faces.
Make sure you shake well, guys. You're definitely supposed to shake it up before you use it. Make sure you guys always read instructions for everything that you use. And if it tells you to wear PPE, wear PPE.
Personal protective equipment. Everybody don't know what that is.
I was finna say that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It means...
I'm sorry.
It means if they say you need to have on a mask, you wear your mask. If you need gloves, you wear gloves. Wherever it says you need goggles, you wear it for your safety, okay? And if you are under the age of like 13, you should definitely be doing this with a parent.
Yeah,
if you are 13 to like 16, you should be asking for permission to do this before you do it.
13 to 16?
What you think?
Jesus. 16?
Yeah. Alright, so we have the Floetrol in the cups. And next step is to stir it all up. So after you stir it for a while, the color starts to come through like that. So you're going to stir it until you can no longer see the white Floetrol in it. Alright, so once you have all your paint stirred up together, you're then going to use, you can either use another one of these small cups if you don't have a lot of paint, or you can get a bigger cup like we're going to use and layer your paints into the cup. So, another thing that you might want to wear when you're doing this is gloves, just because paint's going to be going everywhere. Like, it's messy. It's called a messy pour. So, if you want, you can wear gloves, or after you're done pouring, just immediately go wash your hands. It's your next safest bet. So
I like the messy part of it, so I don't like to wear gloves. Even when I wear gloves, I somehow figure out a way to get messy.
Pass me the 3-in-1 oil.
Oh, I forgot about that.
So, you can also add 3-in-1 oil to your paints to give it just a little bit more of a pop, because it adds different sales layers to your painting, and I'll show you what that is after it's done doing what it does. I'm gonna add a little bit. It only takes a couple drops. I'm gonna add a little bit to my blue and then stir that in.
Put it in my purple ones.
Both of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, don't do that. Put it in, put it in my white and my gold.
Okay. Now you can see, hold on. You can see the oil right here in this area. It's like a clear gloss over the paint. Go ahead.
Just a couple of rounds. Don't want to stir it in too much. Now baby's about to do her.
Alright, so first color I'm going to put into my cup is this blue. So I'm going to pour it. Then I'm going to add some yellow. You want to just put it right on top. Then the pink. And you add your colors in whatever order you want. There's no specific way to do it. No right or wrong way to do it. It's just whatever your heart desires. And you just do this until you're out of paint.
Okay, so I'm gonna do mine.
After you've poured all your paints into the cup, your last and final step for now is to pour your paint onto your towels and then move them around. And you pick your cup up and you kind of bend it a little bit and you pour it onto your towel.
Now you can pour it in any kind of pattern, direction, any type of way.
Can already tell this one's gonna have more color to it. This one's gonna be a lot of blue. I was going for like an Easter theme here. We shall see.
So now she's just moving around, get it all over the towel.
Now you don't have to get it on the entire towel. Like you can leave part of the towel uncovered. And you can do something else with that part of the towel. It's just up to you as to what you want to do. It is your world. Everybody else is just living in it.
And then you just do the other one, you're good. And no matter how many towels you do, nothing's gonna look the same coming out of the same cup. Yeah, it's always gonna look different. You'll have the same colors, but you won't have two identical pieces of artwork. You always want to cover your table as well, just in case there's a slip up. Yeah, because nobody's perfect. So yeah. Do you want me to record you? No, I'll tell you hands are dirty. No, I'll treat the camera.
So the only thing I'm doing right now is trying to get some of this excess paint off of the bottom. So, because we use 3-in-1 oil, you want to get like a torch lighter for this so that you don't burn yourself.
Cause we burned ourselves because we tried to do it with a regular lighter.
So you just kind of hit it with like quick fire just to help those cells to come out.
And you see how much came out just from what she just did.
And the cells are these like little holes of other color paint that's coming up, you see? So you just want to hit it real quickly with just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot, but
I always go overboard.
now it's time for her pour.
Where did that color come from? Okay, that pinkish color. Yeah, purple, I guess. The purple and white. Put that there. I'm just moving around. You don't have to pour that right now.
Messy.
This is what our canvases look like. Yeah, that's what I got. A big old blue blob with some pink and some yellow. But this over here is all
not what I wanted,
marbly.
y'all.
It's not about what you wanted. It's marbly. And it looks good. Why are you messing it up? Not necessarily messing it up, but why are you putting your finger in it?
Because that was a black spot that I didn't want right there. Them
But it looks
black
pretty
spots can
good.
stay.
I like it, honestly.
So
Once everything is dried, we'll let y'all see it.
that's not what I was going to say.
Go
You
ahead.
just interrupted me.
I'm sorry.
Splash. Listen. Once everything is dried, with this, it's another step that we're not going to do right now.
We'll do a video part 2 of
The second
this
step.
extra step for this is just so the paint doesn't scratch after it's dried. Make it pop also. It makes it glossy. So I just want to throw in here at the end, since this is an art video, some of the pieces of art that I have drawn. It's only 2 that I'm showing y'all today. But I have this here that I'm going to post onto Facebook for sale because I haven't posted that one yet. And there's also this one
That I really like that I wish she would have given to me. But
it's already on my Facebook. I'll add it to our couple's Facebook and put it up for sale. But yeah, so those are my 2 pieces of art to end this art video, and we'll let y'all see what the finished product of each one of these looks like on our Facebook. So if you aren't following us on Facebook, then you should, because that's the only way you're going to be able to see these.
also, remember you guys, subscribe. When we get to 100 subscribers, we will be doing a giveaway.
Yep.
So get us to 100 subscribers.
Yep. We have a giveaway for YouTube, and then once we get both Instagram and Facebook to 100 followers and subscribers, or just
And
followers?
likes.
Yeah, likes and followers. Then we will do a giveaway on those 2 as well. So that's all we got for today.
See you in the next video.
In the next video. I love you. Peace.
You got peace.
I don't think I ended it.